how to backup calls and contacts and messages to USB drive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app, now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accounts and Backup. After click on Accounts and Backup, click on External Storage Transfer. Make sure USB is insert here. After insert USB, click on external storage transfer and here click on just calls and contacts and messages. Click on just call contacts and messages. So click on next. After click on next, click on backup. After backup, go back to home screen. So that's how you can backup calls, contacts, and messages to USB drive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.